Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add in-text citations in Microsoft Word. This is a document that I have taken as an example. Now, while creating a journal or project record, all the citations usually go at the end of the document. But you can also enter in-text citations. In-text citations allow readers to trace the sources of information easily, enabling them to verify facts, explore further reading, or evaluate the credibility of your work. Additionally, including citations strengthens your arguments by showing that your points are supported by reliable research, making your document more persuasive and professional. To add a citation, place your cursor where you want to insert it. In the title bar, click on References. Now, click on Style and select a citation style of your choice, or a style that your project requires. In my case, I will select APA style. Next, click on Insert Citation. Here, you will find all the available citations for this document. Select your desired citation and it will be added to your text. If you want to create a new citation, click on Insert Citation again, then click on Add New Source. Here, you need to enter the information about the citation, and you are done. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.